Well, my school counselor, Mr. Alea, he's the one that let me know about the Choose Well program. He started using it with our 6th grade teachers and students, and we just started seeing some changes. So through seeing the changes, we found out we could have Mr. Brown come out, and our students found out that Mr. Brown could come out, and they wanted to meet Mr. Brown. I will say that I have noticed with our 6th grade, especially boys, there was one incident where I had a young man in here for disrupting the class. He was trying to make everybody laugh, and when he came in and we talked about, we need to be focusing, we need to be listening in class. Our job is for education when we come to class. And he turns to me and goes, I know I should focus. I need to focus. And I had watched Mr. Brown's video, and that's the video they had watched that morning, and even you can see it come out. They may not think they're listening, but they truly are listening. Even when they're doodling, they are listening, and the fact that he could do the action, and so that won me over. I'm like, okay, we gotta keep showing these videos, and it's really reaching our 6th grade group of boys and our girls. So I appreciate all his hard work and how it has affected our campus. Whenever we have an area that we want to focus on, all we have to do is look up Mr. Brown and we find it. Definitely, like I said, we started in 6th grade, and then the 6th graders were out there talking about Mr. Brown. So my 5th grade teachers came to Mr. Olea, who's our counselor, and so he started going in and on Tuesdays and Thursdays and working with our 4th and 5th grade. And you just can hear them on the playground using the language about being kind, about making good choices. So it definitely spreading. And then you could really see the excitement in our primary students today. They saw his video and they actually met Mr. Brown, and you could just see they're like, I want to know more. We want to watch Mr. Brown. So definitely. About how easy it is. Yeah. 6th grade, 2nd step does not have a 6th grade, so that's where we started, and that was our feedback from our 6th grade teachers was, we show the video, we have the questions, and that's a great springboard. And then throughout the day, they'll refer back to it. And my 5th grade team and 4th grade team are using 2nd step and blending in the Choose Well videos, and they are getting a lot better feedback from the students, buy-in. So yeah, you don't know what you're gonna get. And so I was a little anxious, like, is what I'm seeing on YouTube, but I was pleasantly surprised. I mean, the engagement that you are able to pull from the students just from YouTube, it was 10 times better in person. The students didn't want it to stop. And then when you were out on the playground with them, I know that I love going on the playground with the students because that's when you build those relationships. That's when you really see those students and when they see adults out there. So having you go out on the playground with them and they can see you're a real person and you care about them, this will be with them for a lifetime. So definitely the assembly and your message and going in the classrooms, that has made an impact on our students, and I really appreciate it. I know you told me you were going to stay for the day, but I didn't realize it was going to be for the day, and this is my 30th year in education, so I've had lots of assemblies, and we've never had someone stay for the whole day, which was amazing. I mean, even the after-school program, the kids were like, hey, Mr. Brown. Even my teachers were in awe. They were like, wow, he is just Mr. Brown, but just to meet you in person. That is, I think, different with your program and having an assembly than I've ever had, is that you are invested in that day with the staff and the students. The investment that we put into you today will, like I said, will go with these students for the rest of their life.